Ever funded your trading account with a credit card? Big mistake for some. So, you're ready to dive into the world of investing. You've chosen Questrade as your platform, a great choice by the way, and now you're itching to put some money to work. But before you go on a stock-picking frenzy, there's a crucial question to answer. Can you fund your Questrade account with a credit card? This might seem like a simple question, but the answer can be a bit surprising. Let's unpack why using a credit card for investing might not be the best strategy and explore the alternative ways to fund your Questrade account. First things first, credit cards and investing are generally not a good mix. Here's why. Interest rates. Credit cards come with notoriously high interest rates. Imagine buying a stock that goes down slightly, but you're stuck paying a ton of interest on the money you borrowed to buy it. That's a recipe for disaster. Debt trap. The whole point of investing is to grow your wealth over time. Starting with credit card debt puts you in a hole before you even begin. It can be tempting to chase quick wins to pay off the debt, leading to risky investment decisions. Margin calls. If you use a credit card to buy stocks on margin, borrowing money from your broker, you could face a margin call if the stock price falls. This forces you to sell your investments, potentially at a loss, to meet your margin requirement. Okay, so credit cards are out. What are your other options for funding your Questrade account? Luckily, there are several safe and responsible ways to get your money in the game. Bank transfers. This is the most common and generally the cheapest way to fund your account. Transferring money from your bank account to Questrade is usually free and takes a few business days. Interac Online. For Canadians, Interac Online offers a fast and secure way to transfer funds instantly from your bank account to your Questrade account. Beyond these basic options, Questrade also offers some unique features to help you manage your investing journey. Instant deposits. With certain bank institutions and debit cards, you can make instant deposits to your Questrade account. This is a great option if you see a hot investment opportunity and want to act fast. Round UPS. This is a handy feature that rounds up your spare change on everyday debit card purchases and automatically deposits it into your Questrade account. It's a great way to invest passively and watch your savings grow over time. Remember, responsible investing is about building wealth for the long term. By avoiding credit cards and choosing the right funding method for your situation, you can set yourself up for success in the market. Now, get out there and start building your investment portfolio. But do it smartly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.